अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हमारा टॉपिक है मार्केटिंग सेगमेंटेशन। मार्केट्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ बायर एंड बायर इन वन और मोर वे दे मे in their wants, resources, buying attitude and buying practice. Market segmentation: companies divide large markets to smaller segments that can be reached more efficiently and effectively with profit and services that match their unique needs. Steps in target marketing: market segmentation, market targeting, market positioning. Market segmentation: identify basis of segmenting the market, develop segment profit. Market targeting: develop measure of segment attractiveness, select target segment. Marketing positioning: develop positioning of target segment, develop of a marketing mix for each segment. Level of market segmentation: buyer have unique need and want. Which buyer is potentially a separate market. Companies can practice or segmentation, complete segmentation, or something in between. Mass marketing: companies have not always practiced target marketing. Segmentation. Segment marketing: a company that practice segment marketing broad that make up market and adopt its offer to more closely match the needs of one or more segments. Market segments are normally large identifiable group within market. For example, luxury or buyer performance can buyer, utility car buyer, and economy car buyers. Micro marketing: segment and tailor their offer and marketing programs to meet the need of various market segments. Segmenting the major variable: geographic, demographic, psychographic, behavior variable. Segmenting consumer marketing: there is no single way to segment a market. A marketer has to try different segmentation variable alone and in combination to find the best way to view the market structure are major: geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavior variable. Geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation calls of dividing market into different geographic units such as nation, state, continuous, cities, and neighborhood. Demographic segmentation divides the market in the group based on variables such as age, gender, family size, family life cycle, income, occupation, education, religion, race, and nationality. Age and life cycle stage. Age and life cycle stage segmentation consists of offering different product or using different marketing approaches for different age and life cycle group. Gender segmentation call of dividing a market into different group based or on sex. This segmentation from has long been used for clothing and magazines. Income segmentation: it consists of dividing a market into different income group. Marketers for clothing, cosmetic, financial services, and travel have long used this form of segmentation. Psychological segmentation: it calls for dividing a market into different groups based on social class, lifestyle, or personality characteristics. Behavior segmentation: it involves dividing a market into group based consumer knowledge, attitude, use, or response to a product. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़। देख ले, ये आज का हमारा टॉपिक था।